Hi guys, this is another part of the Eye in the Desert unit. Yesterday I asked you guys to write some YU customs, and today we're going to talk about hospitality. I asked you to read the story about Abram and the three visitors from Genesis chapter 18. If you haven't, this is the time, please do it now. Later we're going to talk about blood redemption, but before that, today we're going to talk about hospitality. So this is the chapter I ask you to read, chapter 18, verses 1 until 15, just until here. This is what I want you to read. Today we're going to talk about the context. First, I want you to read Genesis chapter 17. This is where you'll find the story about Abram being circumcised and the treaty he's making with God. I think it should shine some different light about his hospitality, the condition that he was while bringing these visitors to his home. So please, this document is shared with you. Answer, please read Genesis chapter 17, summarize the main event, and then please, which meaning does this context provided by Genesis chapter 17 gives to Abraham's act in chapter 18? Abraham is willing to take some three strangers to his home. Given the condition that he's at in chapter 17, I think we should understand a little bit differently. When you're done with analyzing the context, please read Genesis chapter 18 verses 16 to 33. This is until the end of chapter 18. In here you see what happens after Abram say goodbye to these three visitors. Again, this should shine some light on his behaviors. Please check it out. Tell me what you think. Which kind of meaning does this context give to what Abram did just previously? In your opinion, what is the relevance of the story of Abram and the guests and his visitors to your life? Now, I remind you, this question has to do with your other assignment. You should talk to your pastor by the 3rd of November, in our class in the 3rd of November, this is Tuesday, 3rd of November, when you get back from a day off. I want us to share the ideas of your pastors and of yourselves to the class. So please record video or audio conversation between yourself and your community pastor. If you have any problem recording, the pastor doesn't give you the permission, they are shy or whatever, write a transcript. That means write every word your pastor say. Now we know they say a lot of words, so I recommend you tape them. You record them either by video or by audio. If you have a problem, talk to Mr. Freddy. He is more than happy to help you. Either book an appointment with your pastors or organize an appointment with Father Robert. Now you should do it ASAP, so Father Robert will have enough time to discuss with you personally. If there is a crisis, force majeure interferes or whatever, Mr. Freddy will be happy to discuss it with you as well. Let's use this only as a last resort. I very much prefer you will talk to your own personal community pastors. Right? This is the reason I'm giving you the weekend to do that. As you said, you need the weekend for it. You got it. So please, today, answer these 5 questions and submit them to Turnitin. This is an individual work. Submit them to Turnitin by tonight, 30th of October at 10 p.m. See you later, guys.